Teacher and student conversation. Good morning, ma'am. May I come in? Good morning, yes, please. Come in. Why are late today? Sorry, mom. Sorry, ma'am. There was heavy traffic. Teacher, please try to be on time from tomorrow. Student, sure, ma'am. I would not happy again. Teacher, did you complete your homework? Student, yes, I did. Here it is. Teacher, good. And remember, there's a test tomorrow. Student, okay. Ma'am, I shall revise everything. Teacher, that's the speed. Keep it up. Spoken, I get up at 6 a.m. The train leaves at 7 p.m. Lipa looks very beautiful. Rani goes to school. I don't like tea. He takes milk. Joy state 9. Don't run. He had just gone out. The collab has stuck 10. I have cut apples. I have never known him to be angry. Have you ever been to Delhi? I received his letter. Where did he learn? I was listening to the radio. I have never known him to be angry. Sorry for the inconvenience. What can I do for you? Will you please help me? This is not a joke. Stop kidding. What is happening here? Did you get my point? What do you want? Get ready to go to the school. I will try my travel best. I am very pleased. This is not fair. You are my responsibility. I will come again. What would you like to have? Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for the advice. Please be seated. Hope to see you next time. Spoken, believe me. Call me back as soon as possible. Give me a hand. I don't understand. I don't mean it. How much is it? How was your weekend? What did you say? What do you need? What do you think? What do you need? What do you think? What do you want to do? What's the weather like? Where are you going? Is all good? Is everything okay? What are you doing? Absolutely not. I have no idea. I agree. I am at home. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's okay. Don't sleep in the classroom. Don't run. Don't cross the stage. Don't sit on the old chair. Don't draw a picture on the wall. Sit on the new chair. Don't touch the hot pan. Don't put the shoes on the table. Don't talk. Watch out. Come early. Don't move. Don't be shy. This is a dirty shirt. Wash the shirt. Tie the shirt. Wear the shirt. I have a bike. She likes tea. He drives fast. They watch TV. The car is blue. We study English. She feels tired. He opens the door. The flowers bloom. The birds flies. I see the moon. She smiles often. He eats breakfast. They go to school. The clock ticks. We laugh summer. The phone rings. She draws pictures. We wears glasses. It smells good. I am excited. I am okay. I am sorry. I am busy. I am sociable. I am happy. She is tall. He runs fast. They are here. We like pizza. It is cold. She has a cat. He is a doctor. The sun is bright. I love music. The dog barks. She sings well. He drinks coffee. The baby sleeps. The bus is late. She wears his hat. I eat rice, she sings well, she runs fast, they play football, he reads book, birds fly high, cats drink milk, fish swim fast, he loves music, she likes tea, they eat together, we go home, you speak well, she dances well, she works hard, we watch TV, I am proud, I am optimistic, I am shy, I am not. I am all right, her little head is bare. His father beat him, she has let her matches fall in the stake. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her. I don't know what exactly he is. A few years in the field will cause you to change your opinion. A very good way to learn. Please tell me about them. I have got a headache. You better go back to bed. What made him wait for it? Tina, hi Tina, it's you. Tina, oh how are you? It's been a long time. Tina, I am fine. What about you? We last meet during the board exams. Tina, I am good too. Tina, what are you doing now? Tina, I am started my undergraduate studies in English honors at Xavier College. Tina, you finally got to study the subject you like the most. Tina, too, what about you, Tina? Tina, I took my history honors in Lady Shirampur College for Women. Tina, that's nice. I am so happy. Tina, yes, I am so happy. Tina, yes, we have a lot to catch up on. Tina, for now, I have to pick up my sister from tuition. Take care. Tina, bye. We see you soon.